Earlier this year, I got to take part in the Junkyard Jam, which was the most fun in the world. Mike is the owner and organiser of the event and is such a ray of light and is the main reason there was just such good vibes that day, with everyone painting their vans, and this was mine. I came in with no plan. I brought the colours that I usually kind of use or had with me, and got inspiration from the van itself, and also just to do a weird face. The whole thing about this jam is the vans are going to get destroyed. So it really is a massive symbol of impermanence and just doing what you want to do. And I think that's just so much of the joy of spray paint in general. Is I think that it's such an intimidating thing to start doing, but then once you do it, you notice the improvements so quickly. Each piece, you see yourself and you see the piece get cleaner, sharper. Practice really does make perfect, it really does. And I had been painting quite a lot that year, and I could feel it, I could see it in this piece a little bit, which was really satisfying. So I just had fun, super improvising, and I'm really actually happy with how this side turned out. I think it fitted in quite nicely with the shape of the van, and just being inspired by everyone else who was doing some amazing pieces around me. I mean, the inspiration is on another level. I really got to see kind of the progress I had made that year by doing this. It was just such a good canvas. I mean, I say this a lot, but I really did feel like a big kid. Experimentation and fun, it's something that I want to do more of. Let loose. I think you can get so wrapped up in the projects that you're working on, you know, professional projects, commissions and things like that, which are great, but you get very precious over what you're doing. And the ability to let loose without any concern of what's going to come out is really where the excitement comes from and where the passion for drawing comes from. It's so important to keep harnessing that as a creative, like keep going back to the thing that made you start it in the first place, you know? This clip made me laugh so much because I didn't realise how confidently I just put that line in there. Just that shocked myself. Usually there's a little bit of apprehension, but I said, there's the middle line, let's go for it. And I added some letters. I did some finishing touches, and then it was time for everyone to gather around and get ready to see the main event, which is for these vans to get crushed. I had such a blast being part of this. I learned a lot, I met some great people, and I really hope I get to do it again. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.